How to configure annual leave. To configure an annual leave type into your system, click on the Add button. It is better to set up your annual leave types from the biggest number of allowed leave days to the smallest if your company gives employees more leave days on anniversaries. Type the name of your annual leave type into the free text field. It is better to start the name with annual leave 21 days, for example, as this will appear as such in your reports. Select the accumulation type by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Periodic accumulation will accumulate the annual leave on an accrual basis. Upfront accumulation will display the full entitlement at the beginning of the period, but will accrue periodically in the background and will allow employees to apply upfront. Select the periods from the drop-down. Now enter the leave entitlement per cycle and working days per month into the free text fields. In the next drop-down, you can select when you would like the annual leave cycle to begin. If you select Custom Date, the date selectors will open. Select the date range by clicking on the date selector for the custom period. If your company allows employees to carry untaken leave into the next cycle, the following three fields will apply. Enter the number of days that are allowed to be carried over. The number of days in which the employee has to take this carryover leave. For example, if it is 3 months, you'll enter 90 days. Should you wish for the employees to be notified that their carryover is expiring, you can set when the email notification should be sent out. For example, minus 30 days for 1 month prior to cycle end and 30 days for 1 month after the rollover has begun. If you automatically adjust your annual leave types on anniversaries, select the tick box next to Automatically Adjust Annual Type. This will open up 2 fields to complete. Select from the drop-down menu which annual leave type the employees will move to. Enter into the open field after how many years this adjustment must automatically occur. If you'd like, you can add a message that will be included when an employee applies for this kind of leave type, but this is not necessary. Click on Add to add the annual leave type. In order to configure more complex settings for the leave type, click on Edit next to the leave type name. Further leave rules will become available for configuration, such as accrual split leave. You will need to configure your general leave types before you can set up the rules of this section. Accrual split. This rule allows you to split the annual leave type accrual amount with another general leave type, which will be configured under general leave types. You can select the general leave type you would like to split to from the drop-down menu, and then enter a percentage of the annual leave accrual amount that needs to move over to the general leave type. Other. Here you can define limits of minimum and maximum leave days which can be taken by employees in any one leave application for the specific annual leave type. You can also delete leave types by clicking the tick box. If a red message appears next to the delete tick box, employees are already linked to this leave type. The employees will need to be moved to another leave type before this leave type can be deleted. Click on Save to save your annual leave type settings.